Today we are going to solve a few problems with trigonometry. So now you have seen our previous lesson on trigonometry where we talked about the sine theta, cosine theta and tangent theta and how they are related with the right angle triangle. So today we are going to take a few right angle triangles and see if we can apply those formulas to solve a few problems. So let me draw first a triangle. So this is our first triangle, and let's say, let me put some labels. So let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, and let's say this is 5 and this is 4. Now figure is not drawn to scale, it looks like both the sides are same, but let's assume this is 5 and this is 4, and you're given this is theta. So what you have to find, given this is 5 and 4, what is the value of theta or the angle? Now without applying trigonometry, this is not easy to solve. So we're going to solve it using trigonometry. So now we know that if this is theta, then cosine theta, or before we get to that, it is maybe a good idea to write the SOHCAHTOA CHTOA. So as we discussed, this is sort of a nice way to remember what those formula are. So cosine theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So now in our case, adjacent is here 4 divided by hypotenuse, which is 5, opposite to the right angle triangle. So now theta is, that means cosine minus 1 of 4 by 5. What that means is that inverse of cosine 4 by 5. Now if you are using a standard calculator, now I am using a regular desktop calculator. So in your calculator you will see something called inverse, and if you apply that, so you will get, so 4 by 5 is 0.8, so that means 0.8 sine, which is 53 degree. So cosine, inverse cosine of 0.8 is equal to 53 degree. So this is our theta is 53 degree. So that's our answer. So now let's take a different problem where we are, so here in this particular case we are given the length of the sides and we are asked to find out the value of the angle. Now let's take just the opposite of it, which is we are given the angle and we have to find the length of the side. So in this particular case we are given that hypotenuse is 5 and we are given the angle which is 30 degree, and we have to find this side and this side. So again, if you write the formula SOHCAHTOA, so if you put cosine theta, which is cosine of 30 degree, equal to adjacent, A for adjacent, which is this. So let's put, since this is opposite to angle A, so let's put this as A. So A by 5, which is our hypotenuse. So now we know cosine theta, if you are using your calculator, you will see cosine theta is 0.86. So let me use my calculator here. And using your calculator, you say 30 cosine, so which is 0.866. So 0.866 equal to a by 5. So this would lead to a equal to 5 times 0.866, which is around, it's around 0.51. Okay, let me make sure I think it's 5. Okay, I think there was a little wrong in my calculation. It is 4.3. So this side is 4.3. So then using Pythagorean theorem, we can easily find out this side, which is 4.3 square plus, 5 square minus 4.3 square. So that's a simple problem involving trigonometry. Let's try to solve a few more problems in our next videos. Thank you.